What is good, people of the internet? In today's video, we're going to be installing the K-tuned oil cap and the K-tuned dipstick on the 06 Civic Si. So let's unbox them and see what we got. Oh, they don't come with the stickers on them already. Alright. So we gotta do that. There's two of them. Oh. Which one do I want? K-tuned or just K? Probably K-tuned. That's the dipstick. Nice. Alright, let's install the sticker. Let's install the sticker after we install this so we can line it up and make it so it says K-tuned straight. So let's take off the old one. Alright, put that there for now. New one. Let's go backwards, let it click in, there you go. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. Alright, we'll put this guy in here. If I ever need it again, let's get the sticker. Go with K-tuned. The K-tuned side of it. Okay, got that there. And nice. Alright. 15 seconds or so. Pushing it down. Sweet. Alright. Let's pull this guy out. Get the new one in there. Check my oil while I'm at it, and it is a little dark, but it's good. Alright, let's see if the length is the same. So that's where that goes. I mean, I don't know how this is supposed to work now, but I guess we'll find out. This is for the K series, right? There's a K24, but yeah, K20. Okay. K24 would be longer, I would assume. Alright. Anything fancy with this? No? Okay. Well, pop it down in there. Nice and smooth. Is this cover blocking it? Oh, no way, the cover is gonna block it? What? I have to take this off to check that? Oh man, that's gonna be bogus. Millimeter. Yeah, that is the problem. What, are you guys not rocking the cover on your cars? Alright, well, whatever. Well, let's make sure it measures right. Why is it? I mean, it's on there. It's supposed to be in between these two? Because if so, I'm low. I didn't think a simple mod would be such a hassle. Interesting. Interesting. It's all dry now. Put her back in. And it's in, so it's like I do have to force it up a little bit, so that's good. And it kind of hangs right there. Not really liking that. And it's back up there, so not sure where it's supposed to be, if it's supposed to be in between here, but I'm guessing these are better. Let's put the red cover back on. Yeah, it does cover that lip up, so check my oil. I have to take this cover off. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. But it looks cool. So, what are we doing? Function or cool? I'll go with cool for a while. At least I know what I need to do. Yeah, cars, you know? There's always something. Don't torque that down. Alright. It's on. It's not coming off. So that's cool. I mean, it looks awesome. I love the black and red. Goes with pretty much everything else in the car. Alright, let's, I guess, start it up, make sure it doesn't hit anything, right? Alright, if I hear anything weird, cutting it right away.
Connected.
Enough with the beeping already. I don't feel any like weird ticking through it or anything, but alright. That's on all the way. Cool. Alright, well I guess that's it. That's the installation of the K-Tune oil cap and the K-Tune oil dipstick. I don't like the dipstick that I have to take this off to check it now, but it is what it is. I'm not going to take that off nothing cool underneath there to look at. So, alright, well, guess that's it. See y'all on the next one. Peace.